Sugarcane originated in India and has grown there for thousands of years. Today, India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world and the largest consumer, supplied by 453 sugar mills. Over 50 million farmers' households are supported by sugarcane. Still harvested largely by hand, sugarcane is now the largest crop in the world. To meet this rising demand, India's sugar mills are modernizing their production with Danfoss world-class technology. The Shahu Sugar Factory produces over 100,000 metric tons of sugar a year. More than a factory, a cooperative society, inspired by a king. Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj ruled Kolhapur state wisely, creating social reforms and promoting education and employment for all.
The Chhatrapati Shahu Sugar Cooperative Society is formed by our founder chairman, Mr. Vikram Singh Ghadge, who coincidentally belongs to the royal family of this area, and inspired by the late Chhatrapati Maharaj of Kolhapur, Shahu Maharaj. And from his work, my chairman was inspired, and he wanted to do something for his public at large. And initially he thought it would be better I could start one cooperative sugar factory rather than private sugar factory. Cooperative society is formed on the basis of sugar growers. They are the members of the society.
The Chhatrapati Shahu Sugar Cooperative Society has over 15,000 producer members. For them, harvest season is a time of celebration. As the sugarcane enters the factory, the processing has already begun. In the cavernous space within lies a machine of immense proportions. And so begins the complex process of creating sugar from cane. Shahu Sugar was searching for ways to modernize their factory and make it more efficient. So they turned to Danfoss.
Two years back, we started our sugar factory capacity expansion and modernization project. We decided to change steam turbine drives to electrical drives for mill application. Basic requirement for this purpose was 12-pulse drive to maintain harmonics level in electrical system. There were many installations of Danfoss. We verified the installations and discussed the operational parameters they are getting from Danfoss BFD drives. At that time, we decided to go for Danfoss. Pre-sales support is also good, and after-sale service team of Danfoss is very good. Since last 2 years, drives are in operation. Performance-wise, drives are very good, trouble-free, and downtime on account of drives is nil.
VLT 12-pulse drives offer reduced harmonics for demanding industry applications. Compared to steam turbine drives and conventional DC drive systems, Danfoss 12-pulse drives are low maintenance, reliable, and efficient, saving running costs and energy.
During a pre-sales meeting with Shahu Sugar and team with the consultant, we have demonstrated our strong value proposition by using Danfoss VLT back channel cooling. Shahu is the only industry where they have implemented the unique concept of the Danfoss back channel cooling for their better benefits.
A Danfoss innovation, back channel cooling allows a substantial reduction in capital and operational costs, resulting in longer life, higher reliability, and greatly reduced energy use.
Back channel cooling system is the best one as it reduces the power requirement of the AC. We have spent around 20 lakh rupees for this back channel cooling system for this air conditioning. If we not use this system, we have to spend around 40 lakh rupees. We have saved around 20 lakh rupees in this total system.
This is one of the first installation in India where we are implement the back channel cooling. Because of climatic conditions of the sugar industries, there is a lot of moisture, dust. In back channel cooling, there is an advantage. We have not taken atmospheric air. 85% heat generated we have taken out and back feeding to the AC, and the fresh air we have taken only 15% for the cooling purpose. This feature is energy saving as well as the free maintenance.
Shahu Sugar has modernized its processes and the factory is back online. The Danfoss VLT drives perform reliably in the background, maintenance-free with zero downtime. This complex process begins with washing the sugar cane. Then the cane is shredded. Next, the shredded cane is sent through crusher rollers that extract the juice. But how do you control these multiple complex processes?
In our sugar factory, entire milling operation is controlled through DCS system. We have connected these drives with our DCS, monitoring and controlling the ampere of the drive, RPM of drive, and total kW.
DCS, Distributed Control System, ensures that the complex processes in the factory work in perfect harmony. The sugar production continues in another massive hall. Here the sugarcane juice is clarified, concentrated, and crystallized. And Danfoss VLT drives ensure precise motor control through the entire process. Shahu Sugar is looking for new ways to improve their production. Research and development have started on a separator to extract more juice from waste. This sophisticated machine requires a precise supply of energy. Once again, Shahu turned to Danfoss VLT drives. And so we near the end of the sugar manufacturing process. Gleaming white sugar emerges to be sifted and sorted and sent on its way to make the world a little bit sweeter. While Danfoss VLT technology continues in the background to make the complex process a little bit simpler.
We are using these Danfoss make drives since last 2 crushing seasons. There is no single problem on account of these drives. We surely recommend Danfoss make drive, which is the best one.
Since last 2 years drives are in operation, technical parameter and performance of the plant has improved. We have received Technical Efficiency Award from Vasantdada Sugar Institute, Pune. If I have to describe Danfoss in one word, it will be excellent.
Shahu Sugar, a sugar factory inspired by a king and powered by VLT technology. Danfoss, engineering tomorrow.